Upon arriving at Cordele, Georgia, this Heart of Georgia train pulled east on the Diamond across the Norfolk Southern and CSX tracks. Heart of Georgia, or HOG, is not a very common sight in broad daylight. This was my first successful attempt at catching the railroad after 7 years of trying. This HOG train was bound for the CSX interchange just east of the Diamond, then would continue east. It was led by engine 4215, a GP30M in all blue paint. Shortly after the HOG train passed, a CSX locomotive arrived to pick up the cars. It was forced to wait for a Norfolk Southern freight to pass before it could continue to the interchange. '98, a GP60 considered rare on the CSX, one of only 3, would be conducting the interchange today with the Heart of Georgia. He would be running as CSX A730-14. CSX K701 is an ethanol train headed westbound through Cordele. CSX A730 then begins to pull back onto the CSX mainline after K701 had passed. The conductor flips the switch and allows the CSX train to pull forward onto the main line. Finally, CSX A730 pulls forward with the entire cut of Heart of Georgia interchange cars. The final train would be a Norfolk Southern Manifest, passing shortly after CSX A730 crossed the Diamond.